Lesson 4. Performance, Mass, and Human Factors. Before every flight, you must verify your mass, balance, and flight planning. If you cruise at a true airspeed of 100 knots into a 20-knot headwind, your ground speed is 80 knots. For a 120 nautical mile trip, this will take 1 hour and 30 minutes. Always plan fuel carefully. If you burn 30 liters per hour for a 2.5-hour flight, plus a 45-minute reserve, you need 3.25 hours of fuel, totaling 97.5 liters. Total mass is calculated by adding empty mass, fuel, occupants, and baggage. You must never exceed the maximum takeoff mass. Additionally, ensure your center of gravity is within limits, as an aft center of gravity decreases static longitudinal stability and makes the aircraft more sensitive in pitch. Environmental factors heavily influence performance. Taking off on a soft or wet grass runway increases rolling resistance and takeoff distance. High density altitude, caused by high temperatures, means thinner air. This reduces engine thrust and wing lift, leading to a longer takeoff roll and reduced climb performance. A rule of thumb is that density altitude rises about 120 feet for every degree Celsius above standard. On landing, a headwind decreases ground speed and shortens the landing distance. Finally, you must monitor your own physiological fitness. As altitude increases in an unpressurized aircraft, the partial pressure of oxygen falls, causing hypoxia. Early symptoms include euphoria, impaired judgment, headache, and cyanosis. Because night vision relies on oxygen-sensitive rod cells, your vision in the dark is particularly vulnerable to hypoxia. Those rod cells also recover slowly after being bleached by bright light. You must also guard against hyperventilation, which is excessive breathing that lowers blood carbon dioxide, causing lightheadedness and tingling. Lastly, alcohol severely impairs judgment. Strictly observe regulatory minimums and never fly with residual impairment.